Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the cable so the connector fits precisely. Strip the outer jacket and fold back the braid. This prevents shorts and ensures signal continuity. Once done, expose a clean 1/4 inch of the center conductor and about 3/8 inch of dielectric. This spacing aligns the connector pin. Make sure to inspect for nicks on the conductor. A damaged center reduces signal and can cause intermittent loss. You now seat the connector onto the prepared cable, pushing until the dielectric meets the connector base. This prevents gaps that reflect signals. For compression connectors, compress per tool instructions to seal the braid and dielectric. For crimp types, tighten the ferrule to hold the braid without crushing the center. Once tightened, confirm the center conductor sticks out about 1.5 to 2 millimeters. Too long or short alters impedance and causes return loss. You finish by testing continuity between center conductor and shield and measuring signal with a meter if available. This verifies no shorts and proper connection. Then attach the F connector to the device, turning about 1/4 turn by hand and using a wrench only for a final snug. Over-torquing deforms the connector. If you see no signal, restrip the cable, check for stray braid touching the center, reseat or replace the connector, and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.